You good? Are you good? You stuck? You want here? Okay. Let's go ahead and do number 3. So we've got magnesium plus 2 sodium chlorides. That's magnesium chloride and 2 sodiums. Okay. So 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium, 2 sodiums, 2 sodiums, 2 fluorines, 2 fluorines. We're balanced. And the problems that we said we're going to go from grams of this to grams of this. All right. Start off with what we know. 5.5 grams sodium fluoride. Then we've got to get from grams to moles, so then we can use our mole to mole conversion. So 1 mole of NaF weighs how much?
42.
How much?
42.
42 grams of sodium fluoride. Then we've got 2 moles of sodium fluoride. This is our mole to mole ratio. Produces 1 mole magnesium fluoride. Then what?
1 mole of magnesium fluoride, 60 grams.
68, 62?
2, right? Yes.
Nineteen is 38.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay. I'll teach math for a living. So we're getting 4.1.
Yes.
All right. Everybody good with that? What? I even have the wrong answer on here. How did I do that? Okay. And the last. All right. We've got 2 moles of hydrochloric acid reacting with a mole of sodium sulfate to yield 2 moles of sodium chloride and 1 mole of sulfuric acid. And we're starting with 20 grams of hydrochloric acid, and we want to know how much sulfuric acid we're going to produce. All right. So 20 grams of HCl. And I know that 1 mole of HCl weighs how many grams? 36. Then I've got 2 moles of HCl to 1 mole sulfuric acid. And then 1 mole of sulfuric acid weighs how much? 98? So we're going to have, what is that, 40 divided by 20, 78 equals, how much?
27.22.
27.2? All right. Better? Do you remember what it was on the final that confused you about this?
I don't know, you got a copy of the final? I don't, there was some that seemed like they went into depth a little bit, a lot more.
Well, yeah, I had to get you to, what I did was give you the words, you had to write the compounds, then balance the equation and
Right.
all of that.
All the stuff.
Well, that's not that bad, but there were some other ones that I just didn't have a clue what to do.
All right, I will bring a copy of the final in tomorrow, and we'll kind of work over, not y'all's copy, but a blank copy or my key, and we'll work over some of the stuff that you guys had questions about. That'll help refresh you guys too of everything we covered in Chem 1.
How are we gonna know which ones we didn't do well on if we don't have ours? I mean, I kind of would have an idea, I guess, but.
Yeah. Well, I do have y'all's. I guess I could.
We can give them back at the end of class.
Well, yeah, you'd have to. Yeah, you're not keeping them.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay. Talk me into it. Bring finals.
I think a lot of the lab stuff is what got me.
Yeah.
I think that was mostly the.
That'll give you guys a clue as to what's going on in the test that I give. Okay. Now, the last part that we're kind of reviewing, the chapter